Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a paneer recipe. I'm making Paneer Vindaloo. Now this is a slightly unique recipe which you can make for lunch or dinner. So let's jump right in. So first I've taken all the spices which I'm going to add to a pan and dry roast slightly. Make sure you don't burn the spices. Now add this to a mixer jar along with ginger garlic, tamarind and vinegar. Add sufficient water and make it into a paste. Add this paste into the paneer cubes. Mix well and let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the finely chopped onions and cook them till they turn golden brown in color. Now add some turmeric to this and mix well. Now it's time to add the marinated paneer to this mixture. Now use the marinade, add some water to it and add it into the pan. Mix well and add the salt to taste and a little bit of sugar to this and allow the paneer to cook for 5 minutes covered. After 5 minutes, the paneer is ready to be served along with some roti or rice. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.